Hey everyone, good morning. This is Barbie broadcasting here from sunny Santorini. I'm here on vacation with my family and I just wanted to give you guys a quick review. I don't know if you've tried this new Artistry Studio mascara, the New York City edition, but I am loving this mascara. I actually got it right before I left for my trip. It's like the perfect mascara that you can take away with you anywhere you go. You can use it on a daily basis, whether you're in New York City, like the New York City edition, or you can use it while you're on vacation. And what's really cool about this, and I'm actually gonna try it so you guys can see it. Very affordable mascara. You can see here, this is the long wand, and this was what will lengthen and separate your lashes. But the mascara wand is like awesome. And then once you twist this little end cap, turn it, and you can see it gets short. And this is what you can use to really apply a good amount of mascara and like thicken up your lashes. So I'm actually gonna show you how to use this. I've been using it here on vacation. Humidity proof, it's smudge resistant. Before I actually put on my mascara, I do like to curl my lashes a little bit. So I'm gonna curl my lashes for you guys. You can use any like type of lash curler and just give it a little push, voila. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm actually gonna volumize. Okay, so I'm gonna start to add all that volume. And you can already see here the difference with just one application. Move a little closer so you can see. Okay, doing just the top part of my lashes. Now I'm gonna do the bottoms. If I need to separate a little bit, I have to be honest, by putting the elongated part on, it really just does everything for me. I'm gonna add a little bit more of a thickness by using the shorter end and separating. And there you have it. See one versus the other. And now we're gonna do the other one. Now I'm gonna do my lower part. And you can be generous. You can give as many coats of mascara as you want. I'm actually gonna just add a little bit more volume. This is like giving yourself fake lashes without actually putting on any falsies, which I love. If you guys have like a lash separator in your kit, you don't need one because this will do it for you. Okay, I think I'm done. There are my lashes. Definitely recommend the Artistry Lash 3-in-1 Lash Boosting Mascara. Wherever you go on a daily basis, this is something that you definitely guys need in your makeup kit. All right guys, well, signing off. I hope you love the look of my lashes. Hope you found these tips useful on how to use this new Artistry 3-in-1 Lash Boosting Mascara. It lengthens, lifts, and separates. With that, I am off to explore sunny Santorini. Mwah. See you guys later.